This is GATE 2021 electrical question number 41.
It says that 1 coulomb of point charge moving with a uniform velocity of 10 exat meter per second enters the region x greater than 0 having a magnetic flux density B. Vector is given by 10y x hat plus 10x y hat plus 10z hat Tesla. The magnitude of force on the charge at x equal to 0 plus is given by dash Newton. So in order to solve this problem, we need to understand that the force on a charged particle moving with a velocity of v vector under the influence of a uniform magnetic field is given by F equal to Q V cross B. So if this is a charged particle with charge q coulomb and it has a velocity of v vector and under the influence of magnetic field which is B vector, then you need to multiply q with the cross product of v, that is the velocity, and the magnetic field. Now to understand some basic concepts regarding cross product. So remember this diagram: x hat, y hat, z hat, and remember the direction of arrows. X hat cross x hat should be 0 because we know cross product is x hat means magnitude is 1, x hat means magnitude is 1, and the sign of the angle between them is 0 degree, so it is 0. So likewise y cross y equal to 0 and z cross z equal to 0. Now someone asks you to find x cross y, then remember this diagram: x cross y, so the direction of arrow matches, so just write z. But if someone asks you to find z cross x, then also z cross x is matching with the arrow direction, z first then x, so it will give you y. But if someone asks you to calculate y cross x, then y first then x, so opposite direction, so a minus sign will come, after that write z hat. Likewise, if someone asks you to calculate z x cross z, then the direction of arrow first x then z, so opposite, so minus y hat. So this will be the information that we will need in order to solve this question. We solve the question. It asks us to find the force on the moving charge. So F equal to Q V cross B. Given that the charge is 1 coulomb and the velocity is 10 x hat, now we need to cross it with the magnetic field expression, that is 10 y x hat plus 10 x y hat plus 10 z hat. Now we can see that this is a variable magnetic field that varies with the change in coordinate positions of the charged particles. So now we solve this, that 10 x hat cross 10 y x hat, so it will be 100 y x hat plus x hat is 0, then plus this 10 into 10 is 100 x into x hat cross y hat. So as per the diagram we are already, x hat cross y hat is z hat, so it is z hat, plus you need to do this 100 x hat cross z hat. So x hat cross z hat, this will be opposite to the direction of the arrow. X hat cross z hat is minus y hat with a minus sign. So our force comes out to be 100 x z hat minus 100 y hat. Now since we are asked to find force at x equal to 0 plus, then we will be left out with 100 y hat. So 100 Newton will be the force on the charged particle at x equal to 0 hat. So this will be the answer.